Hi, I'm Floyd Hall. I am the creative producer for Science Gallery Atlanta and the co-curator of the Hooked exhibition season. Hooked is the first exhibition for Science Gallery Atlanta, opening in 2022. And with this video, we wanted to provide some additional context for the Hack-A-Thon experience that we're entitling Unfiltered. This is the Unfiltered Hack-A-Thon, a collaboration between Dr. David Schweidel and visual artist Mark Liebert. Now, this is one of the more interesting collaborations for Hooked Atlanta because we really are creating a bit of an open call for individuals or teams to contribute to this particular work. And for this project, we really wanted to unpack and investigate social media, the way in which we use filters, and the way in which this notion of filters creates different realities. It creates, I think filters create a different way in which we see the world, in which we see ourselves. And filters also create a platform by which we're sort of advancing these new narratives of individuals, of brands, and the platforms themselves, your Instagrams, your Facebooks, your Twitters, etc. The platforms themselves play a role in that. The brands play a role in that. And so with this particular collaboration, we're really trying to unpack and explore all of that. The individual choices, the brand choices, the platform choices, but through the lens of what filters represent. And so the premise of this hackathon slash design challenge is really about going from the notion of perfect to unfiltered. And what does that mean from an algorithm standpoint? What does that mean from a design standpoint? And ultimately, those are questions that we're hoping you can answer. And so for this hackathon, we have presented a question or posed a scenario in which we're asking individuals and teams to sort of quantify this notion of being unfiltered. And so Mark and David, through their collaboration with this process, have issued some deliverables. And so on this page, you'll find all of the information around this challenge. You'll find the deliverables. You'll find the dates. This is a multi-week challenge. And so we're really asking for people to take their time and think about it. You have several weeks, or not several, we have a few weeks to submit your thinking and your algorithms around this particular project. We're also supplying links to data sets that you can use. So on this page, you'll hopefully find a lot of that information relevant to this project. So the data sets, the deliverables, some of the backstory on this project and on Mark and David's collaboration. I think I mentioned the dates earlier. So this should be your one-stop shop for all things unfiltered for this hackathon. And we really want you to dive into it. If you have questions, there will be some information at the bottom of this page or at the top of this page, depending on how this video is oriented, to reach out to us. And Mark and David will respond to those questions if you have anything that you're unclear about. So with that, we want to encourage diverse teams. Think this is a design call that I think touches a lot of different people. So we would hope that lots of different folks would chime in on this, whether it be folks who are coders and really software people, folks who are designers, as well as content creators. So we're really hoping a wide array of folks feel compelled to get involved in this hackathon, with the notion that they could actually become a part of the exhibition. So you also see on this page the prizes. And so first place for the hackathon is not only $750, but also credit alongside Mark and David in the exhibition for Hooked. And so we really want to just encourage, again, creative thought around this project, around this challenge. And we really want as many folks to get involved as possible. So get involved, spread the word, and thank you for engaging with Science Gallery Atlanta and this Hooked exhibition season. Thank you.